This video from Sharp Help, we're going to quickly demonstrate how to switch from receipt mode printing to journal mode printing on the XEA202 and 212 registers. So obviously the machine has one printer. As standard it's in receipt mode, but you can switch the receipt off, but you can also have it in journal mode. So if you have it in journal mode, the paper needs to be fed onto the spool here inside the printer cover area, so you retain a copy of every transaction, but obviously you can't print receipts because it's a thermal printer. You only get one printout, and your end of day report will also be printed onto the spool at the back of the machine. So there are disadvantages to putting it into journal mode, but if you want to, this is how to do it. Key round to PGM, so you need the MA key, hash TMST, then you type in job code 6 followed by the multiply button. You then type in the following code 01000111 TMST and TLNS. Now turn the key back round to the reg position. I've not got a spool loaded on this machine, but you would now have to lift up the printer cover and feed the paper through, so you could then put it onto the spool at the back of the machine. If you don't want the machine to work in journal mode, you want to put it back into receipt mode, I'll have a video explaining the exact opposite of this, and that'll be appearing at the end of this one. Thanks for watching.